Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
How are you today?
Thank you.
I'm fine, thank you, and hope we always healthy and great every day. So, guys. Push. So guys, who is absent today?
Adi.
Adi, why is absent today? Okay. Before we start our lesson today, let's start with basmalah. Okay, guys. Do you have a favorite book or movie?
Yes.
Why do you like it? Why do you love it?
Because it's good.
Can you tell us what the one of your most favorite book or movie?
Yes.
What is it? Okay. Have you ever read or watched something because someone give you a recommendation? Yes. Okay. So today we're going to learn about how to read and understand the review text. Review text help people know whether a book or movie is good or not before they read or watch it. So by the end of the lesson, you will be able to understand the structure of this review text and identify the author's opinion. So what is review text? Yes, so a review text is type of the text give an opinion about a book, movie, song, game, or program, and it helps readers or viewers decide whether they should try it or not. So, the review text help people to know that the book, movie, song, or the game or product is worth it or not. And the next is the purpose of review text. The purpose is to evaluate something and recommend it to or not to other people. Jadi, purpose-nya untuk mengevaluasi sesuatu. Seperti game yang disebutkan di definisinya tadi, game, movie, book, song, or whatever. To recommend it or not to other people. Next is the structure of a review text. First is introduction. Introduction is what is being reviewed. Review, like title, author, or each other. Example, your name, Kimi no Nawa. This is one of Japan's animated, and the example is your name. The example of the introduction of review text is your name is a Japanese animated movie directed by Makoto Shinkai. It tells the story of two teenagers, Taki and Mitsuha, who mysteriously begin to switch bodies. So the introduction consists of the title. What is the title? And the author, who is the author or the director? The director. Next, Makoto Makoto Shinkai. Next is evaluation. Evaluation is what is good or bad about it. Example, the animation is beautiful, with detailed scenery and colors. The plot is unique and the emotional mixing romance, mystery, and time travel. What is the good of this anime? Animation. The animation is beautiful with so this animation is good or not? Good. Okay. Next. The interpretation. Interpretation is a deeper meaning or message, sometimes optional. Jadi terkadang dia ada, bisa juga tidak ada. Example, the film explores themes like faith, connection, and memory. It makes viewers think about how people's life can be connected in unexpected ways. Next. The next structure is recommendation. The recommendation is, do you suggest people try it or not? Example, I highly recommend this movie to teenagers and young adults. If you enjoy stories that are emotional and visual stunning, your name is a must watch. So, this animation recommended for teenagers and adults. So the children is not recommended to watch this film. Next, this is the example of review text from the novel Laskar Pelangi. Have you ever read this novel? Yes. You have, Bunga? So can you read this review for us?
Read?
Yes.
May I go to in front of the class?
Yes, you can.
Because I cannot see clearly.
You can go in front of the class.
Laskar Pelangi by Andrea Hirata is a heartwarming novel that chronicles the lives of a group of students from a small village in Indonesia as they strive to overcome adversity and pursue their dreams. Set against the backdrop of Belitong's stunning landscapes and vibrant culture. The story follows Ikal and his friends as they navigate poverty, education, and societal expectation. Hirata's vivid portrayal of the characters and their struggles captivates readers from the very first page. The protagonist Ikal is resilient and determined young boy whose optimism and tenacity inspire those around him. The novel's central conflict is the students' fight for quality education in a system that overlooks their potential. The ending of the novel is both bittersweet and hopeful. Readers get a glimpse into the characters' futures, allowing for reflection and interpretation. The story, through Ikal's eyes, highlights the triumphs and tribulations of a generation eager to break free from poverty. Compared to other coming-of-age novels, Laskar Pelangi stands out with its strong Indonesian cultural context and universal message of perseverance and hope. Laskar Pelangi and hope. Laskar Pelangi is a timeless classic that resonates with readers worldwide. It is recommended for fans of literary fiction and anyone looking for an inspiring story that emphasizes the importance of dreams, friendships, and never giving up.
Okay, thank you, beautiful Bunga. Good job, Bunga. You have a good pronunciation.
Wordnya susah ya, Miss?
Okay, now we discuss about the structure from this review text. Masih ingat nggak tadi apa aja strukturnya? First is introduction. Second,
Evaluation.
third,
Interpretation.
and the last is
Conclusion.
So now I give you 2 minutes to analyze this text with the 4 structure. 2 minutes. Sudah Miss? You done? Okay. Let's we analyze or discuss it together. First paragraph, Laksan Prani by Andrea Hirata is a heartwarming novel that chronicles the life of a group of students from a small village in Indonesia. So, the first paragraph, what is it?
Introduction.
What is introduction?
Because it introduces the
About the title and the author of this novel. Second paragraph, Hirata's vivid portrayal of the characters and their struggle captivates readers from the very first page. The protagonist, Ikal, is a resilient and determined young boy whose optimism and tendency inspire those around him. Who's know the second paragraph? What is it? What is? Anyone know? Evaluation. Why? Why is that the paragraph is evaluation? Erika, why? Because this provide the good or bad about the novel. They see the critical determined most central conflict is the students' fight for quality education in a system that overrates their potential. Okay, next paragraph. The third, the ending of the novel is both bittersweet and hopeful. The story through equal eyes highlight the triumph and tribulation of a generation eager to break freedom from poverty. Miss Fina, the third paragraph is what is it? The structure. Interpretation. Why is interpretation? Because
or message from the novel.
right, good job. Next, the last paragraph. Laskar Pelangi is a timeless classic that resonates with readers worldwide. It is recommended for fans of literary fiction and anyone looking for inspiring story that emphasizes the importance of dreams, hardship, and never giving up. Umi, why is it recommendation?
Because it is the conclusion the text.
Where?
Because it is the last paragraph.
Okay, right. Because it is recommended fans of literary fiction to looking for an inspiring story that emphasizes the importance of dream, friendship, and never give up. This is emphasized. This is recommended for the literary book. Next, this is the multiple choice book. Now we analyze the text. First, what conflicts in the novel according to the reviewer? C.
Sudah five for access to
C. Siapa ya?
A. The student are reveling in sport. B. The difficulty of finding jobs. C. The student fight for access to quality education. D. The teacher disagreement with the principal. From the text, what is the main conflict? C. Okay. Let's come back to the. Where is the answer from the text?
The sentence name is.
Yes, the sentence.
To me, the novel central conflict is the student high quality education system that overlooks
Yeah.
high potential.
Paragraph 2.
It's
Paragraph
paragraph
2. The novel central conflict is the student fight for quality education system. Good. Next, number 2. How is the setting of the Little described in the review? C.
Beautiful and
Are you sure?
Yes.
Sure? Let's go to the text.
Bulan udah kalian, Miss.
Set against the backdrop of Little, stunning landscape, and vibrant culture. The story follows Eagles and friends as they navigate education. Right. So, the answer is
C.
beautiful and equality. Next, number 3. Why is Eagle considered inspiring? Show strong optimism and perseverance. Number 4. What makes Laskar slightly different from the other coming of age stories? B. A. What is the magic? B. Why B?
Because it shows in the text, Miss. It focuses on Indonesian culture and real life struggles.
You're right. Next, the last question. What kind of readers would mostly like ending this book? C. Why?
All kinds of inspiring
Realistic fiction.
Okay, right. You have a good answer. That's
Correct, Miss.
yes. That's all is correct. So now I want you to make 5 group. Consists of 4
Okay.
or 5.
Okay.
So, tadi kan udah. Itu soalnya sama kayak yang sudah dijelasin tadi. So you have to answer the question with your group, and you will correct. Check this together. Check it together after you go. You have 5 minutes. Hey, where's your group? Umi. Have you done? Okay.
Kelompok cantik sudah selesai.
Kelompok cantik udah selesai, Miss.
Okay, let's wait for your friends. Kelompok
Kelompok pura-pura.
Have you done guys?
Yes, Miss.
Kelompok pura-pura.
Udah dipakai, masuk gue.
Sudah dulu Bang, katanya bisa.
Have you done guys? Helena, have you done?
Oh, Ali kok.
Ya,
Iya,
Helena. Erika, have you done? Umi?
Yes, Miss.
Bunga? Have you done?
Done, Miss.
Okay. Now,
Miss,
let's
kita nyantek di rumah, Miss.
Tunggu guys, Miss.
Sylvia.
Done, Miss. Totalitas, Miss.
Okay, have you done? Have you done? Have you done everyone? Okay, now I want you to change your change. Tadi change loh.
Tadi koreksi, Miss.
Change the paper with your. Dari jawab dulu. Change. You. Okay, now let's be correct. Check this together. The test. The text is reviewing about
Book review negeri lima menara.
right.
Baik.
Right, Bunga, you have to do it. The first question. What is the main themes of Negeri Lima Menara?
B.
B. Betul lagi. Because in the book show, the characters become successful by working hard and dreaming big. And the main message is, if you work hard, you can reach your dream. Number 2. B. Who is the main character in the novel? B. Oh, main karakternya. B. Gimana tahunya itu? Gimana tahunya kalau main karakternya? Good job. Number 3. Who's full at 3?
Number 3 is C.
C. Baca dulu soal. What did that C. Baca dulu guys. He will give his all with success. Menjaga wajah. Number 4. Nisa, let's read. Number 4. Nisa.
What makes this novel unique according to the reviewer?
Right.